Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Squarespace to connect it with Printful. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website if you're not already by going to squarespace.com, and from here this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, from where you can get started with editing your website, and at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections for managing your website, and we have the settings tab right here. By clicking on settings, this is going to go ahead and open up this new settings menu, where at the left side of the screen you can find this option that says third party tools, from where you can go ahead and access the extensions tab. As you can see, once you open up extensions, it's going to open up the extensions marketplace, and here you can usually use the search button for searching what you want to connect with. And as you can see, if we search for Printful, we are going to go ahead and be getting this extension right here, custom merch by Printful. This is what you want to open up. This is going to enable you to install this extension to your store by clicking the get started option. That's going to take you to this page where we can get started connecting with this extension. If you need any more help, you can go to the official Printful website. They have an article on how to start your Squarespace print on demand business by using their extension that I have just showed you. So once you've installed this to your store, you're going to go and be able to access it, and it's going to enable you to go ahead and use your on-demand products directly with Printful and Squarespace combined, and that's how to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.